MoneyTube fam, welcome back to the channel that's all about turning your dreams into dollars. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial success and make your money work for you, you're in the right place. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's dive into another episode of my MoneyTube. Let's make those stacks together. In a world where unexpected health challenges can pose a significant threat to one's financial stability, having a robust health insurance plan is crucial. The United States offers a plethora of health insurance options, each with its unique features and benefits. In this blog post, we'll explore the top 5 health insurance plans in the USA, designed to safeguard both your health and financial well-being. Welcome to a world where trust meets innovation, and your health takes center stage. Today, we delve into the legacy of one of the most trusted names in the health insurance realm, Blue Cross Blue Shield. Blue Cross Blue Shield, or BCBS, stands as a beacon of reliability with a legacy that spans all 50 states. From the bustling streets of New York to the sunny shores of California, BCBS has been a constant companion, providing a safety net for millions. What sets BCBS apart is not just its expansive network, but a commitment to comprehensive coverage that caters to the diverse needs of its members. Whether you're seeking basic coverage or a more encompassing plan, BCBS has you covered. But BCBS is more than just an insurance provider, it's a trusted name synonymous with preventive care and wellness. The emphasis on keeping you healthy today to prevent issues tomorrow sets BCBS apart in the ever-evolving landscape of healthcare. As you navigate the complex world of health insurance, BCBS stands out as a beacon of trust. Their plans are designed to fit your lifestyle, ensuring that you have the coverage you need when you need it. It's not just about insurance, it's about a legacy of trust that spans generations. So, whether you're a young professional taking your first steps into the world of insurance or a seasoned individual seeking reliable coverage, BCBS is there to guide you. With a history built on trust, innovation, and a commitment to your well-being, Blue Cross Blue Shield is not just an insurance choice, it's a legacy of trust. In the world of health insurance, choose more than a plan, choose a legacy. Choose Blue Cross Blue Shield, where your health and trust come first. Number 2 is UnitedHealthcare. Welcome to the forefront of healthcare innovation, where customization meets commitment. Today, we shine a spotlight on UnitedHealthcare, a powerhouse in the health insurance landscape. UnitedHealthcare isn't just an insurance provider, it's a trailblazer in the industry. With a commitment to innovation, it brings you healthcare solutions that resonate with the modern world. As one of the largest health insurance providers, UnitedHealthcare stands tall, offering a diverse range of plans that cater to your unique needs. Whether you're an individual, part of a family, or covered through your employer, UnitedHealthcare has a plan crafted just for you. What sets UnitedHealthcare apart is its forward-thinking approach. In a world that's increasingly digital, they bring healthcare to your fingertips. With virtual care options and personalized wellness programs, UnitedHealthcare empowers you to take control of your health journey. But it's not just about innovation, it's about customization. UnitedHealthcare understands that one size does not fit all. Their plans are designed to adapt to your lifestyle, ensuring that you get the coverage you need without the unnecessary frills. UnitedHealthcare is more than an insurance provider, it's a partner in your well-being. Their emphasis on digital health solutions ensures that you have access to cutting-edge resources, making healthcare more accessible and convenient than ever before. So, whether you're embracing the gig economy, starting a family, or planning for retirement, UnitedHealthcare is there to support you every step of the way. It's not just about insurance, it's about a commitment to your health in the modern age. In the dynamic world of healthcare, choose a partner that evolves with you. Choose UnitedHealthcare, where innovation and customization redefine what health insurance can be. Navigate the future of healthcare with confidence. Choose UnitedHealthcare, where your health is not just insured, it's innovated and customized for you. Number 3 is Aetna, a holistic approach to health. Step into a world where your health is more than just a policy, it's a journey. Today, We explore Aetna, an insurance provider that goes beyond the basics, offering a holistic approach to health. Aetna stands out in the health insurance landscape for its commitment to comprehensive well-being. It's not just about covering medical expenses, it's about fostering a lifestyle that prioritizes both physical and mental health.